Happy birthday, Tito Freddy. More birthday to comes. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday to Freddy. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your
Happy birthday, Lolo Freddy.
It's your
Ingat.
God bless. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Freddy. Happy birthday. Gusto na kayong lahat yan. Happy birthday. Sana ay marami pang dumating na birthday sa iyo. Happy birthday. Sana ay happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Freddy. Ang wish ko ay maging matagumpay ka sa buhay at maging maalala rin sa pamilya.
Happy birthday, paring Freddy. Good health, more blessing. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Kayo mag-asawa. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Salamat. Alam mo na yun kung saan yun. Ingat kayo palagi niya. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Happy birthday, Paring Freddy. Gusto na kayo dyan. Mag-iingat kayong palagi. Enjoy your day. I miss you sa inyong lahat. Kailan ba namin makikita ako mo? Happy birthday.
Hi, Freddy. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Happy birthday nga pala. Ang wish ko, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming kaarawan at sana magampanan mo na rin iyong trabaho at lagi kang ligtas sa anumang mga kapahamakan, sa anumang mga disgrasya. Hinihiling ko na sana sa kaarawan mo ito maging masaya ka rin at ganun din kayo lahat dyan. Happy birthday! Miss you!
Happy birthday, Tito Freddy. Ingat po palagi. Happy birthday! Basta na kayo dyan. Si Apo. Oh my God. Oh, ano ba? Sabi mo na, happy birthday.
Ay, inumin.
Sa'yo daw ang inumin, pati pulutan. Oh, ganun na, ikaw na. Ayaw daw. Sabihin mo lang happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh. Sige, ingat kayo dyan. Yung paglilibot nyo. Paano, sumakay pa sa kuryente. Sige, okay na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Freddy. Sana lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan sa trabaho. At good health and God bless. Alam ko naman na laging tayong dalawa ang magkasundo at lagi mo akong visit. Ngayon birthday mo, birthday mo, magpa-Gcash ka dito sa amin. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Freddy. Ingat kayo palagi and good health. God bless you.
Happy birthday! Freddy, happy birthday!
happy birthday.
More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come po. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Tito Freddy. Stay healthy po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Freddy. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health. Ingat ka lang dyan palagi,
Happy birthday, Lolo. Freddy. Happy birthday, Lolo. Freddy. Happy birthday, Lolo Freddy.
Happy
Happy? 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 Happy birthday, Tito Freddy. Ingat kayo dyan. Enjoy your day. Saka uwi na kayo. Miss na namin kayong lahat. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Ang paborito dyan. Pinom tayo.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Tito Freddy. Yeah. Say, I love you. Ingat ka po. Galing ah. Bye-bye. Kaway ka, kaway. Galing ah. Kiss.
No, Freddy, happy birthday. God bless. Huwag masyadong mag-alasing. Okay. Happy birthday again. Pwede na. Freddy, happy birthday. More of a blessed birthdays to come. God bless you. Happy birthday, Freddy. I love you. Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Freddy. Blow out. Padala ka sa Gcash ko. Yay! May blow out. Happy birthday. God bless. More birthdays to come. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Freddy. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. See you soon. Kampay.
Happy birthday, Lolo Freddy! More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss you guys. Love you all. Mwah! Mwah! Thank you.
Happy birthday, best friend. Sana bigyan ko ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, malusog at malakas na pangatawan. Sana lahat ng pangarap may matupad. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Salamat sa lahat, pare. I love you, pare.